Number 21. Go surfing. It means to engage in the sport of riding waves in the ocean on a surfboard.
He likes to go surfing on summer weekends. He likes to go surfing on summer weekends. She went surfing for the first time yesterday. She went surfing for the first time yesterday. They often go surfing near the pier. They often go surfing near the pier.
Number 25. Go to a lecture. It means to attend a formal presentation or speech, typically on a specific subject.
We will go to a lecture on ancient history. We will go to a lecture on ancient history. She went to a lecture at the university. She went to a lecture at the university. They like to go to lectures together. They like to go to lectures together.
Number 22. Go to judo karate. It means to attend a judo or karate class or session.
She goes to karate every Thursday. She goes to karate every Thursday. They go to judo to learn self-defense. They go to judo to learn self-defense. He started going to karate as a child. He started going to karate as a child.
Number 23. Go to yoga. It means to attend a yoga class or practice yoga.
I go to yoga to relax and stretch. I go to yoga to relax and stretch. They go to yoga classes at the community center. They go to yoga classes at the community center. She goes to yoga with her friends weekly. She goes to yoga with her friends weekly.
Number 24. Go to war. It means to engage in or start a war.
The countries went to war after talks failed. The countries went to war after talks failed. He went to war and returned a hero. He went to war and returned a hero. They didn't want to go to war. They didn't want to go to war.